Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Android Studio, that is Android Studio Panda on a Windows operating system. So for that, first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Android Studio download, hit enter. So that will show you this download Android Studio and app tools. Just simply go to the official site of Android Studio. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will get this download Android Studio Panda 1. So you need to click on this download button that will show you this license agreement. You need to accept it and click on download Android Studio Panda. That's going to immediately start downloading your Android Studio. I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see that Android Studio Panda is already been downloaded over here. And the file size is 1.28 GB. So to install, just simply double click on that installer. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and you can minimize your download directory. And welcome to Android Studio setup. Click on next. Here it is telling whether you like to install Android virtual device. I highly recommend you to uncheck that. You can see that immediately decreased the space required by about 1 GB. So that is because we are already using some Android phone, so we can directly use that Android phone itself to verify our app that we are building on Android Studio. Everything I am going to show you on this video itself. So that's why you are going to uncheck that, as we are going to use our Android phone itself. So after that, click on next. Here also keep it default, click on next and click on install. So that's going to start installing Android Studio. And there you go. Our installation is rightly done. You can just simply click on next and click on finish. So that's going to start our Android Studio Pandas. So welcome to Android Studio. Click on next. Here I'll recommend you to proceed with custom installation and click on next. You can uncheck this Android virtual device and Android emulator as well and click on next. Click on next again. These are all license agreement. You need to accept it and click on next, and that's going to start downloading your components. So it's going to take some time. You need to have active internet connection, and there you go. You can see that all components are now rightly downloaded. Android SDK is up to date. Just simply click on finish. So welcome to Android Studio. You can maximize this. Here to click on new project. We'll proceed with empty activity and going to click on next. Here to provide a project name. So let's give the project name as welcome to Android. We'll keep all other things as default, and this minimum SDK we are going to choose API 28 or Android 9. You can see about 95% of the devices it's going to support, which is a decent number, and we are going to use Kotlin, which is a recommended as well. So select all this and click on finish. That's going to start creating our project. You can maximize this. So it's going to take some time to load all the components and set this project for use. So have some patience. It's going to take some time, maybe 5 minutes, to get fully loaded. Just wait for some time over here. So you can see it is importing some of the packages. So wait for some time to get all the background tasks to get done. So you can see it is really taking good amount of time. So our syncing is done now. Now it is setting up and running some of the configurations. So now wait for a few more minutes. And there you go. You can see finally it is done. So you can expand this app and you will get a Kotlin plus Java folder. So you can expand that as well, and you can expand this package and you will get this main activity.kt. So that exact file is opened over here. And now I'm going to show you how to run this project right on your Android phone. So for that, first you need to click on these node devices, and that will show you these paired devices using Wi-Fi. So we're going to use our Wi-Fi to connect with our phone and laptop over the same network. So click on these paired devices over Wi-Fi, and here is our QR code. Now let's jump onto our Android phone and go to settings and click on my phone. Then scroll down a little. You will get version info. Go there and you will get build number over here. So keep on clicking this build number. So see, 3 steps away from being a developer, 2 steps away, one step away from being a developer, and finally you are a developer. So you need to confirm by putting your pattern, and now you are a developer. Next you need to go back and scroll down. You will get system, open that, and scroll down again, and you will get developer options over here. So go inside. See, now you have developer options enabled. Next step that you need to do is you need to enable this wireless debugging. So enable that. Always allow on this network. Click on allow, and it is already done now. Next thing that you need to check is your phone and your laptop must be connected over same network. Once you have that, next you need to press and hold this wireless debugging. That's going to show you this screen. Here to proceed with pair devices with QR code, and use the scanner to scan this QR code, so it's going to immediately start pairing your device. See, it's rightly started to connect to that device. And there you go. It is connected. Success. Just simply click on close. And here is our devices also rightly recognized. Now all you need to do is to click on this run button. It's going to immediately start building our application and going to install it on our Android phone. So our building is completed. It started installing our application on our phone. And here is our application. Hello Android, launched on our phone. So if you update something on your code, so like for this name variable, if you update instead of hello Android, if you make hello Geeky script subscriber and click on this rerun button, it's going to install our app again on our phone and going to show you hello Geeky script subscriber. So whatever you have written, so that's going to show you on your phone, and you are going to see that application installed on your phone just like any other app. Similarly, I have built one more application called this quiz app. This is just a basic demonstration of application that you can create on Android Studio. This is just a basic quiz app. So what is the capital of France? You give Paris. Then which planet is known as a red planet? Again it is Mars. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? So it is William Shakespeare. So you can see correct. Then what is the boiling point of water? Again it's 100, but I'm going to give another answer so that it shows incorrect. So you can see it is wrong, and my score it shows 3 out of 4. So this type of applications or even much more better application you can obviously create using Android Studio, and you can run that on your Android phone. So soon I'm going to post more videos on Android Studio on this channel. So please do subscribe this channel. You can also join our community and also mention on our comment sections whether you are loving these videos. I really love reading all of your comments. Please do comment, that's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. I'm sure you're going to love all these different projects that I have created. Or if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also I have this playlist. So do follow my other videos, I'm sure you're going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.